What do you tell her?
Hey, Grandma.
Louder.
Hi, Grandma. I want to make snow angels in the snow.
What else do you want to do with her while she's here?
Actually,
What else do you want to do with
why can't we see us?
her? You can see yourself because you're making a video. Tell her what you want to do with her. If you want to make snow angels, what else?
I want to play in the snow.
Okay.
I want to play in the snow.
Okay, back up a little bit. What else do you want to do? Right there. What do you want to say, James? Oops, where's Minnie? Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
What do you want to do with Grandma?
Say hi.
You want to say hi? What do you want to do when she comes to visit you? What would you like to do with Grandma when she comes to visit you?
I'll be right back, Grandma. Be right back, Grandma.
Come back, guys. James, come back. We've lost him, Mom. Come tell her what else you want to do with her.
That's it.
That's it? Just play in the snow and make snow angels. You okay, James?
No.
Did you fall? Are you all done talking to Grandma? Come tell her I love you. Goodbye.
I love you. Goodbye. I only have one eye. I don't have any eyes.
Oh, hold on. You really want to talk to Grandma? Well, you shouldn't have dove back there. Okay, tell Grandma what you want to say. Tell Grandma what you want to say. Where'd you go? There you are. Tell her what you want to say. What do you want to say to Grandma?
Hi.
Hi, tell her I love you.
I love you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.